Hello, my name is Al. I'm from Central Wisconsin. First, I want to thank Dr. Wascher and all his staff at Neurospine and the Advanced Spine Clinic. Their personal and professional care is, believe me, second to none. My own personal pre-surgery symptoms were I had minor headaches, minor neck pain on the sides and back. The most debilitating pain I had would have been in the left rear shoulder blade that would extend out through my arm, causing pain, numbness, tingling of the arm. This went on for a couple years. Finally, they did an MRI of my cervical neck. When the neurosurgeon looked at it, there was bulging discs at multiple levels. She turned around, looked at me and said, "You're going to need to find the best surgeon you can find." So my research began. I had other doctor consults. I talked to family. I talked to friends. We looked at medical websites. And I believe that through God's guidance, everything led to Dr. Wascher. My wife and I scheduled a consult with Dr. Wascher. We went over there and met with David Bond and Dr. Wascher. They were very honest in everything they said. They explained to me the severity of my case. It would require 2 surgeries. My first surgery, or I guess after we were confident in Dr. Wascher, we went on to schedule the surgeries. My first surgery was on May 18th. On May 18th, they were to go in from the front. That surgery would include a corpectomy of C6, completely removing it, replacing it with a cadaver bone, and then going above it and putting in 2 baskets in the other disc areas, then going into harvest bone marrow out of my hip. They took that bone marrow, injected it in the full area between C3 and C7, and then they put a plate over the front with some screws to secure all that area so that full bone graft area heals well and secure. They told me for the most part the pain level from this surgery would be low. The most discomfort and pain I would have would be swallowing and speaking due to the throat being kind of relocated during surgery. They were exactly right. My pain level from the actual surgery and the inserts was low, but the throat pain lasted 7 to 10 days, kind of like strep throat a couple times over. On to surgery number 2. 2 weeks later, on June 2nd, I had surgery number 2. That was where they were going to go in from the back, open me up, and then do a spinal decompression, and then put rods all the way from 3 to 7, along with screws to completely shore up and strengthen up that area so the bone grafts held good and the spinal cord was protected. Both surgeries went as planned. Everything is going very well. After surgery, immediately after surgery, all of my pre-surgery symptoms, all of the pain, numbness, tingling, discomfort, not feeling well, it's all gone, 100% gone. So far, I'm 2 months into this process. None of that pain has returned. The collar is a little bit of a discomfort, but you have to wear it to protect all of their work. It's not been too difficult. Again, I want to thank Dr. Wascher, all of his staff at Neurospine and the Advanced Spine Center. Like I said at the beginning, their personal and professional care is second to none. I would highly recommend them to anybody. Thank you.